channel. So you might be wondering why I look like this. That is because I don't have makeup on the other side of my face. I only have makeup on this side of my face because for today's video, I will be doing the power of makeup. And in this video, I want to show you the change on how you look at yourself when you put makeup on, and the boost in confidence when you put makeup on, and also the expression of yourself when you put makeup on. Because for me, I express myself through makeup. I feel beautiful with makeup. But if you are not comfortable with wearing makeup, that's fine as well. Because if you feel comfortable, if you feel that you can express yourself even without makeup, that's fine, that's fine. It's just that for me, I express myself through makeup, and that's why I wanted to do this video to show you the power of makeup and how it helps me express myself. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started and let's do this!
So I have to put my hair up first so that it won't go to my face. And for this power of makeup, I will only be doing half of my face. So I start with the primer to boost the start of my self-expression. I love drawing scribbles on my face, makes makeup more fun. After the primer, I put foundation to hide all my imperfections. Don't get me wrong, I love how my face looks like. I just want to hide some of my acne marks. Next, I do my brows because kilay is life, and this is the kilay that would fight for you. Then the next thing I do is to put contour to highlight my features. And then I put eyeshadow for the eyes that see the good in you. Next is the blush for the cheeks you kiss at night. I also put mascara on because the longer the lashes, the longer the patience I have. And last is the lipstick for the lips that speak the truth. And that's it. Hope you like it, guys. Don't forget to express yourself more with or without makeup.
Well, I hope this helps, guys. And don't worry if you feel that makeup is not for you, then don't push yourself, don't force yourself to put makeup. If you feel okay without makeup, then that's fine. And if you feel beautiful with makeup, then that's also fine. Accept yourself, express yourself. You don't have to put makeup to feel beautiful. And yeah, I hope you like this. And if you like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well, because I upload videos every single week. And I will see you again next week. Bye!